Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background theme in Gmail. So let's start it. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see remove background as Gmail. Now you can see, now going to the Chrome browser. Now click. Open the Chrome browser. Now open the Gmail. Now click from Gmail. I can say open Gmail. Now we show the new interface. Now click going to the setting option. Now click from setting. I can say change the background theme. I can say then I select from theme. Now select from view all option. I can say now remove theme and select from default option. Now click from default. Now click from save. That it's. Now I can say remove background theme in Gmail is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.